Hi, my name is Tom Eister, the owner of Angelo Dent Removal, and today I'm going to be working on this 2022 Dodge Ram 1500 that's got a large dent in the bedside that I'll be repairing with the Paintless Dent Repair process. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, in order to start this dent, I'm going to have to remove this tail light so that I will have access to actually push behind this dent. Now that I've got the tail light out, you can see there's plenty of access here, so I should be able to get right to it. Now, since this dent is pretty large, I'm going to go ahead and use a heat gun. That'll help also soften this metal. So in order to get the proper leverage, I'm going to have to use some S-hooks, and I'll put those in the top up here. I'm also going to be using a soft tip so that it doesn't leave any push marks while I'm pushing from underneath. So you can see there's still some little lows in between here that I need to go through and pick out. But overall, the shape is almost right where it needs to be. Just need to do some what we call fine tuning to this. Another flawless repair, like it was never there. So if you'd like to know if your car is a candidate for paintless dent repair and had damages that were similar to this, give us a call at 325-703-6149 or stop by at 2315 Sherwood Way, San Angelo, Texas. I'm Tom Eister, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to know more about paintless dent repair.